Cancer. This is a mid-month reading for the month of May for the Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs in Cancer. What are the messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs for the month of May? Okay. You have the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Swords and the Magician. Cancer, what I see here is you guys are streamlining your thoughts. You are working on your dreams, your manifestations, and you are going towards your goals wearing blinkers. You're not looking left or right. You are just hell-bent on manifesting everything that your heart desires. And there is nothing stopping you. You've got the Queen of Cups. These are your energies, Cancer. You have the Page of Swords as well and the Devil. Okay. Cancer, now some of you could be feeling this pull towards your past love. Somebody who was in your life a while ago, and you suddenly you're feeling as if you need to contact them or you're missing them. Or because of these full moon and Taurus energies, you guys are new moon and Taurus energies, you guys are feeling a little overwhelmed. It's a push and pull between your goals and desires and what your emotions are wanting you to do. So there's a part of you that wants to go headfirst into achieving your aspirations and everything, and then there's a part of you that is being pulled back by somebody who you once loved or who once loved you. But there is some kind of communication. I see you breaking all kind of ties that are not serving you anymore. You feel in your power sometimes, but there are days when you feel really low, and that is all to do with this head and heart war that is happening. You've got the Queen of Cups, you've got the Page of Swords. So Swords and Queen, the Cup energies are playing this little tug of war. I'm not saying it's a negative thing. It's just it's part and parcel of a Cancerian's life to deal with practicality and emotions together. That's something they need to do on a daily basis. So it's okay. You'll get through this is what I'm trying to say. Even if things seem a little uncertain and horrible right now, you'll get through this. Don't worry. You have the Knight of Cups, the Star card, and the Ace of Wands. You've got two aces, one in Swords, one in Wands. I feel there's a new passionate beginning that is taking place when it comes to your passions, hobbies, or even work life. You are diving into work in order to come closer to your goals. There's a part of you that wants to be financially stable, and you're working towards it. Also, there's somebody who wants to offer you a new beginning when it comes to love. For some of you, there could be a possibility of this past person coming back and telling you that they love you a lot and they've not been able to forget about you. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. It could also be an Aquarius person, since there is a Star card, and Star card is Aquarius energies. But I see somebody is looking at you as their wish fulfillment. I'm sorry. Okay. More messages for Cancer. Messenger of Air. Page of Swords. Okay. Got it twice, which means there is somebody who has a practical mindset, but their emotions come alive when they see you or when they think about you. It could be an existing person, someone who's been in your life, or someone absolutely brand new. But that's okay, because even if they do come here into your life, they're not going to disrupt anything. All they're going to do is inspire you to do well and inspire you to do better than what you're doing. It's all up to you. See, how you imagine yourself doing in, say, the next 3 months is what you're going to manifest, Cancer. So if you see yourself being average, you're going to manifest average. And If you're going to see yourself doing really well, then of course, so be it. It'll happen. But Cancer, it's all up to you at the end. Whatever decisions you take, you don't need to regret about anything, because it's what you'll do best at that point in time. So just take it in your stride and don't worry about the emotion part too much. Sometimes we get bogged down by emotions just because we can't handle things. Luck is on your side. It's time to release negativity. Scorpio, Sagittarius energies, Capricorn energies. The end of a tough cycle approaches, and look at the bigger picture. Major Sagittarius energies, even Gemini energies. This card says the answers you need are coming, which is great, Cancer, because we're always very confused. I have my sun in Cancer, and it really plays its part in confusing me. One last message. The moment I embrace my peace within and surrender the outcome is the moment I embrace my peace within and surrender the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. Now you see the confusion part? Also because I was on heavy sedatives a while back, and I think they have a lasting effect on my brain. I'm so sorry. I hope this reading resonated with you, Cancer. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.